Here's the best way to play Android games on your laptop. I'm using Google Play Games, and this app basically allows you to play any of your Android games on your PC, and you can retain all your data as well from your phone to the PC. Now, to download Google Play Games, simply just Google Play Games PC, and from there, the first option is what you will click on, and then you can download Google Play Games. Before you download Google Play Games on your PC, here are some things that you should know as well. 1. Not every game from the Google Play Store on your phone is going to be available on PC. So your popular games like Call of Duty and so on are not going to be available. 2. Bluetooth gamepad support is not available when using Google Play Games. Finally, not every game might run properly in terms of controls and performance. Now, some games may have those system requirements and may not function properly on your PC, and also some games right off the bat will not work with your keyboard and you will have to manually map the controls. In the case where you must map the controls, here's what you must do. Either click on the keyboard icon when running a game on Google Play Games, or you press Shift and Tab on your keyboard at the same time. It's going to open this menu where you can adjust the controls so that way it works best with your keyboard. So you can adjust it to however you wish, and from there you'll be able to play those games on your keyboard. Now, based on my test, here are the games that I can recommend you get with Google Play Games. Number 1 is Free Fire. You don't need to adjust any controls as everything is set up for you and you can easily use your keyboard right off the bat. Number 2, Asphalt 8. You will have to adjust the controls on your own. Number 3, Football League 2026. You will also have to adjust the controls on your own for this game. Number 4, Shadow Fight 3. This game you will not need to adjust any controls at all and everything works right off the bat. Number 5, Clash Royale. This game you don't need to even adjust anything, you can just use your mouse to play. Number 6, Broken Dawn 2. All the controls are already set for you, so you don't need to do any adjustments. Number 7, Hungry Shark Evolution. You do not need to adjust any controls here. And as a bonus, there are still some extra games that you can play without needing to adjust anything and just using your mouse, such as A Vac in Life, Block Blast, and Talking Tom 2.